In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this app has been blocked for your protection error quickly and easily. You just need to follow the steps carefully. So let's start the video. First, go to the Windows search bar and type Registry Editor. Now click on it. Select Yes in the user control window. Once in the Registry Editor, start by expanding HKey local machine by clicking the small arrow or double clicking it. Next, expand software by clicking the arrow next to it. Now find and expand Microsoft. Then scroll down and expand Windows. Under Windows, expand CurrentVersion. Then scroll down, find and expand policies. Finally, click on System to open that folder. In the right pane, find and double click on EnableLUA. Change the value data from 1 to 0 and click OK. Now restart your computer for the changes to take effect. This method disables user account control, allowing you to run the blocked app. However, be cautious as it lowers your system security by turning off user account control. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like the video and don't forget to check out our YouTube shopping recommended products in the video description.